Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. Today we will be programming a basic calculator in Python. So essentially this calculator will perform all the basic arithmetic functions such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. And the aim is to let the user choose the operator they want and make the calculator function accordingly. So from the user's perspective, they will enter the any two numbers and the operator they want. So first of all, we're going to need to create three variables. So let's start off by creating the first variable. We can call it num1, which stands for number one. No need to write the whole thing out. So we want input from the user and we need to enter the prompt. So enter the first number. Now here we're missing a essential piece of information. When the user inputs a number, it's going to be classified as a string because that's what Python does. In order to prevent that from happening, we can either use the int or the float function. Now, by using the float function, you're going to be able to work with both whole numbers as well as decimal numbers. So it's a additional benefit rather than just using the int function. Next, the operator, we can just create the variable as op, and actually we'll make the user enter the second number first. So num2 equals, this can be exactly the same as the top. So input, enter the second number. Right, and the last variable is just the operator one. So op equals input, and we can leave this as a string. A operator. Right. So in order to navigate through what the user has chosen as their operator, we can use a bunch of if statements. So if op is equal to let's say addition or the plus sign, then essentially we're going to print and return num1, the first variable, and the second variable. That's the wrong one. Oops. Plus num2, right? And we basically do the exact same for all the operators. So elif op is equal to, let's say, subtraction of the minus sign. Then print num1 minus num2. elif op is equal to, let's say, the division sign. Then print num1 divide by num2, and lastly elif op equal to the multiplication sign, print num1 multiplied by num2. Right, so here we've entered all the specified operators. Just a quick summary of what we've done. So initially we've asked the user to input the two numbers and the operator. Now Python will literally scan through until the condition is met and print accordingly. However, if the user inputs a operator that hasn't been specified, we need to sort of give an output to the user that they've entered a invalid operator, and we can use the else statement to actually do that. So else print invalid operator. Right, so that's basically it. We can actually test it out now. So let's say the first number 5, the second number 9, and then the operator plus, so 14. And that leads us to the end of the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed that. In the future, I will be posting more of this programming content, and on top of that, I do plan on making sort of tutorials in chemistry, biology, and maths. So if you are someone that would benefit from that, please subscribe and like. Peace.